Hi, in this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to stake Shiba INU in crypto.com. And to do that, we go to the app. When we get into the app, you go to CryptoN. You click on CryptoN. When we click on CryptoN, we click on the plus sign. So you choose Shiba INU. You choose what other crypto you want to stake. But now I want to stake Shiba, so I'll click on Shiba INU. And you have the options of staking for flexible, 1 month term or 3 month term. In this case, I want to stake it for 3 months term. So I click on 3 months. And you click on continue. You click on all these check marks, all these check boxes. Then you click on continue. So now you choose whatever you want to stake. I want to stake everything that I have in my wallet. So I'll click on my wallet. So I'll click on max. I'll click on the max that it should stake everything I have. So now it's going to stake everything. So I'm going to deposit 79 million wons. 79 million Shiba INU. So I'll click on deposit 79 million. So it will ask me if it will confirm it. Yeah, I confirm to do that. So that's it. So I deposited 79 million Shiba to stake in crypto.com. Thank you for viewing this short tutorial. So that's a short tutorial on how to do it.